Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Adda. Now continue my topic, that is importance of pollen grains. Importance of pollen grains. Just a quick revision here. We saw this structure. Male gamete, tube nucleus, dense cytoplasm, intine cellulose plus pectin deposition and in hurry this diagram you people understood is sporopollenin. This is exine, outer layer sporopollenin deposition. Inner layer, this is known as intine, outer is known as exine. Exine have sporopollenin deposition, intine have cellulose plus pectin deposition. This is the thick cytoplasm with the generative cell converted into the two male gamete, and this is the vegetative cell which have the tube nucleus. These tube nucleus will help in the development of the pollen tube. After some time it will get degenerate and these two male gamete will participate in pollen pistil interaction. Now ये this is क्या हो गया structure of pollen grains. Previously in the intine I think mistakenly I wrote callose plus pectin, but sorry it is just cellulose plus pectin. वो callose tapetum वाला ही था तो लगा कि वो callose मेरे हाथ में जल्दी से लिख दिया, but that is cellulose plus pectin deposition. Now come to the importance of pollen grains. अब अगर हम pollen grains की importance की बात करें तो सबसे पहले ये समझना जरूरी होगा the study of pollen grains. Study of pollen grains is known as palynology. Study of pollen grains is known as palynology. Pollen grains are used as nutritive supplements. ये किसकी तरह यूज होते हैं? न्यूट्रिटिव सप्लीमेंट्स की तरह यूज होते हैं, स्पेशली फॉर इनके लिए growing children's for athletes. They are specially used for growing children, for athletes, act as a nutritive supplements. हम इन्हें किन किन फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं? We used pollen grains in tablets and in syrups, etc. they provide us energy, high amount of energy. ये हमें क्या देते हैं? एनर्जी देते हैं, हाई अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी देते हैं. तो pollen grains, हमने स्टडी ऑफ pollen grains is known as palynology. Pollen grains are used as nutritive supplements, especially for growing children and for athletes. We used pollen grains in tablets form, in syrups form. They have very much amount of energy. Now come to the next role of the pollen grains. This one is a positive role, another one is a negative role. Allergic to pollen grains caused hay fever. Allergic to pollen grains caused hay fever. Pollen grains also cause so many allergies. They act as great allergens. They cause very serious respiratory. Pollen grains cause bronchus, affliction. Pollen grains cause bronchus, affliction and very serious bronchial respiratory disorders. Allergy of pollen grains. Allergic to pollen grains caused hay fever. Pollen grains cause bronchus, affliction and very serious bronchial respiratory disorders as asthma, and bronchitis. What I said? Pollen grains, the positive role, they used as nutritive supplements, especially for growing children, for athletes. They may be used as in tablets form, in syrup form. They provide lots of amount of energy. The negative aspects is allergic to pollen grains caused hay fever. Pollen grains cause bronchus, affliction and very serious bronchial respiratory disorder as asthma and bronchitis. What I discuss here? I discuss here the uses and now the side effect of the pollen grains. Allergic to pollen grains cause hay fever. Pollen grains cause bronchial affliction and very serious bronchial respiratory disorder as asthma and bronchitis. Pollen grains imported in India with the crop of wheat in form of carrot grass or Parthenia. They are known as carrot grass and Parthenia. This is the pollinergen. Act as pollen allergen. Act as pollen allergen. First time in India. It is exported with wheat. This is the important point regarding to the board examination. It may be asked in a MCQ. First pollen energen which came into the India with the crop of wheat is known as, the name is with carrot grass or Parthenia, which act as a pollen energen, which introduced first time in India. It is exported with the crop wheat. Right now we will discuss some other fact related to the pollen grains. For example, smallest pollen grains. For example, smallest pollen grains. Smallest pollen grains 2.5 micrometer. Myosotis. Smallest pollen grains 2.5 micrometer in size. Myosotis. Largest pollen grains 250 micrometer. Mirabilis jalpa. And longest pollen grains 2500 micrometer length. Zooster. What I write here? Smallest pollen grains 2.5 micrometer in size. Myosotis. Largest pollen grains 250 micrometer. Mirabilis jalpa. And the largest pollen grains 2500 in length. Zoostera. ये आपका देखा जाए तो 6 मीटर लॉन्ग तक चला जाता है. इन हाइट 6 फीट हाइट तक हमारा जूस्टेरा जाता है. और ये सबसे ज्यादा हमारा लॉन्गेस्ट pollen grains भी होता है. अब हम साइज के बाद अगर हम वायबिलिटी की बात कर लें, जो वायबिलिटी है अभी इसको हम एक बार पॉलन जब डॉर्मेंसी पढ़ेंगे तो वहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे. बट यहाँ पॉलन ग्रेन की वायबिलिटी को अगर समझे तो वायबिलिटी ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन में वेरी स्पीसीज टू स्पीसीज. इट मे बी एग्जिस्ट few minutes, in few days, extended into the month also. For example, in rice and in wheat, pollen grains viability exists 30 minutes. What I said? Viability of pollen grains. Viability of pollen grains, I told in wheat and in rice 30 minutes. And in some other species it may be very 30 days or may be viable for months. More than 30 days, it may be very so many months also. For example, in Solanaceae, Fabaceae, Rosaceae, etc. 30 days or for a month. It may be in Solanaceae, in Fabaceae, in Rosaceae, etc. It may be depend on according to the variety of species. Pollen grains availability may differ. We can also store the pollen grains in a pollen bank as we store the human semen and seeds also in the storehouse. We stored pollen grains in liquid nitrogen. We stored pollen grains in we stored pollen grains in pollen bank at minus 196 degrees centigrade in liquid nitrogen. Temperature and chemical both is very important here. It is normally may asked in MCQ of board exam and the favorite question of examiner during the practical examination. Examiner so many times ask this question to the student. We can store the pollen grains as in a pollen bank as we store human semen, or we store it as like seed, and in which condition? The answer is yes, of course we can store it. We stored it in a pollen bank in a liquid nitrogen minus 196 degrees centigrade temperature. And one more question came from here. The examiner asked so many times to the student, that is the same which I told here according to the fact of this, that the smallest then is a myosotis, largest and longest pollen grains. And the one pet question examiner asked to the students, we can pollen grains preserve as a fossils, how and why? Then the answer is a very simple, because pollen grains have a sporopollenin deposition on the outer layer, their exine. So this have the very good resistance power due to the presence of sporopollenin. Pollen grains can stored or they will also treat as a fossils. Thank you. Keep on watching.